N-E-W-Y-O-R-K. She's from SOHO.
Oh.
She was born in SOHO.
So she's a native New Yorker.
Native New York.
She is a native New Yorker.
How glorious.
But her heritage is from Mexico and Middle America.
Beautiful. Mia, it was an honor to meet you.
Can you say thank you? No? Okay.
You're not talkative
She's
today,
very
or shy?
literate. Actually, she's not a good talker, but she is a great personality, and she's got me trained very well. So
Oh, wonderful.
Don't they all? Don't most pets have their
Yes.
owners trained?
I think the politically correct word is companion animal.
Companion
Yes, that's
animal.
what she calls me.
Wonderful. Nice.